Well, I finally got my gumption up to come out here. It's kind of late in the evening. But it's also not freezing, or not super hot. So it's overcast. Of course, with that also comes the probability of rain, not the possibility. Show you guys something I did when I was building this. I built it so that I could take it back apart. And all I did was let the shell fit underneath that seal. So once this is all stripped down, this will all separate and make it easy to remove. Well, I took advantage of the cool weather as much as I could, but now it's starting to rain. Starting to sprinkle. I got a box full of wires back there, and the wall is mostly gone. It's ready to get tore out. Shit, let me get out of the rain with the damn phone. And so that's looking good. Of course, this rain means it's going to be humid as hell tomorrow. Tomorrow being Friday. Yeah, here it comes in earnest. I need to shut my hatch. My wife called, says she's picking up Sonic. I told her I wanted 2 chili dogs and Order the stuffed cheddar peppers, large. It's wet out here.
Yep.
It just started, it came with you.
Yeah.
Alright. I come back out here after Sonic. I got the bars off the top, distribution box. Now I just gotta finish pulling the little standoffs and stuff off this board. And I can take that forward one. My wife brought Tahoe out here. His old long self. Look at his tail. He's got like a 9-foot tail. He's long. She brought him out here. Well, now there's a hole. Still got to pull that panel off, but what I remembered was from the inside when I was doing my refresh for this season, I added an extra panel in here to try to stop some of the panel flex. When I did, I screwed through into this panel from the inside. So we're going to have to strategically take out a few screws to get that off. I want to try to preserve the enclosure for Chris though. I'm not sure if he's going to want to use it. He said something about it, but I don't know. But anyway, I want to try to preserve that because the enclosure is still solid. I just got to dig the beauty panels and shut off of it and clean it up. She'll be ready to go for another round. Alright, and we ain't got no wing on this side. We ain't got no wing on that side. So, all I gotta do is get in there and do that quarter inch piece on the front with there's like 6 or 8 screws on each side, and then take the port flares off, and that'll allow a bunch of other stuff to break loose. And then go down here in the bottom and dig around until I find the screws that are on the bottom, which is going to be a real pain in the butt. They're down there. Pull them bad boys out, and at that point the only thing that'll really be holding it in is stiction. Well, that and the quarter inch panel on the back, and a bunch of expander foam in the damn way. Yeah, it's still gonna be a real bitch, but we're chipping away at it. It ain't gonna get done unless we do it, you know. Now back here I got like 1 or 2 screws holding that thing up there. A few screws, maybe there's 4, I don't know, but I got a few screws holding that carpeted panel up. It sits about like that tall and all the way to the sides. I know you guys can hardly see. Yeah, y'all can see it now. You can even see the screws. So there's 4 or 5 on the top right here, and then there's like, I don't know how many, 2 or 3 or 4 on the bottom. And then that comes off, and then that black panel behind it has got some screws in it too. I'll dig in there and get to them. I'm gonna have to crawl up in there and get up inside and do that. It's gonna be tricky, but I gotta do that, and I gotta take those ground cables loose. There's some over here on this side, right over here. There's some over here. 2 different spots there and 1 over there. Those have all got to come out. And at that point, the box will be able to slide. Aside from the expander foam, it's going to be all up in here and on the sides, the top sides. There's copious amounts of that, but the flat bar and other pokey tools should be able to get through all of that. And then we'll just slide the whole monstrosity back here toward the back and evacuate it. Like a Labrador Retriever taking a dump in someone's yard.